Herbert's Incredible Fries, a place for one of the lovely places to have it. There's the Yardman Arena on the Sports and Wellness Center across the road, and right behind me is a not so pleasant thing to see, the flooding on the Moira River. You can see the banks have totally crested, but the seagulls here don't seem to give a damn, and they shouldn't either. Let's see if we can get that one to fly. Go on, jump in, you stupid little garbage rats. Just look at that. No boating, no paddling, no swimming. You really wouldn't want to be swimming in this, I tell you. Not even when there's a flood. The Yardman Dam here at Belleville, Ontario, totally crested up and totally dangerous. You can see the banks on the Moira River have really crested big time. It is not a very happy Easter for a lot of people this weekend, and you can thankfully, I had nothing better to do on this Good Friday, so I grabbed my camera and decided to come out and film it. It ain't something I've never seen, ain't something like I've ever seen before. There's that poor little pine tree there, all submerged. Veterans Bridge, taking all the abuse. We're on the other side of the Yardman Dam. Damn, she's high. Damn, she's high. Oh, damn, she's high. Yes, hot damn, it's high. Remember, folks, stay clear, stay safe. Don't make this your tragic Easter weekend to remember. That's all for now, folks. Hot damn, it's high.